Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited because I am trying out a lot of new makeup products in today's video which are kind of going viral over Instagram and all over internet, and these are some amazing products by some amazing brands. I've already used them on my face, and in the further video you're gonna see how they perform. So let's quickly begin with this video. And if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram because I make a lot of beauty content over there as well. So let's start with lip balms. I have the whole range of lip balms with me by this brand Glam21. Now ये एक बहुत ही affordable brand है and they make some amazing products. इसमें काफ़ी सारे variants I have jackfruit, canberry, we have apricot, coffee beans, watermelon and rose apple. मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ रोज़ एप्पल वाला वेरिएंट, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है एंड द कलर इज़ ऑल्सो लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, द पैकेजिंग इज़ रियली ब्यूटिफुल. बिल्कुल भी ऐसे चीप प्लास्टिक वाला फील नहीं आ रहा है, ऑल्दो इट्स प्लास्टिक बट अच्छा क्वालिटी का प्लास्टिक लग रहा है. वाओ, फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशंस इट्स रियली हाइड्रेटिंग एंड बटरी सॉफ्ट. मतलब लिप्स को टच होते से इट मेल्ट्स एंड इट फील्स वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग ऑन द लिप्स. काफ़ी ब्यूटिफुल सा टिंट भी दिया है इसने एंड आई एम लविंग द शेड. आई विल डेफिनेटली अर्ज यू गाइस टू ट्राई देम आउट इफ यू लव using tinted lip balms. These are priced at ₹129, which are honestly super affordable and the quality that you're getting is amazing. बिल्कुल आप जाके इसे ट्राई कर सकते हो, इट्स रियली नाइस. रिसेंटली नायका पे शॉपिंग करते हुए आई सॉ दिस BB क्रीम फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी सिलेक्ट एंड आई थॉट maybe let's try it out. It's a fairly new product and I was looking for a good affordable skin tint sort of जो मैं डेली में यूज़ कर पाऊँ, and this is how it looks like. and मैंने जो शेड पिक किया है it's 04 Creamy Ginger and let's see how this works. प्राइमर के लिए आई एम यूजिंग माई प्रॉश सिल्क ब्लर प्राइमर. इट्स नॉट न्यू बट या इट्स रियली गुड. BB क्रीम्स तो मोस्टली फिंगर से ही काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड होते हैं, सो आई एम गोना ट्राई ब्लेंडिंग इट विथ फिंगर्स फर्स्ट एंड देन सी हाउ इट लुक्स. ब्लेंड तो काफ़ी ईजीली हो गया है बट आई वुड से इफ़ यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ अनइवन स्किन टोन और ब्लेमिशेस, एक्ने मार्क्स, ये कुछ हाइड नहीं करने वाला. इट्स वेरी लाइट कवरेज. इस साइड हम ब्रश से भी एप्लीकेशन करके देखते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज़. ओके, ब्रश से भी काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो गया है एंड ऑनेस्टली देर इज़ नो डिफरेंस इन द कवरेज एट ऑल. इट्स वेरी sheer and at the same time it has niacinamide, so it's very glowy and dewy on the face, which I like. But if it's not your preference and you like a matte finish, then maybe you can skip this one. You can see it has not covered any of my blemishes over here, but honestly I'm not mad about this. It's a BB cream and it's supposed to just give you a very sheer tint. I definitely see myself using this in a day-to-day basis. So if you're also looking for something like this, you should definitely try this one. And let me tell you the price of this if I can find. It's written 430 here, but I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट पे आपको ये अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए तो मैं ही काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज इट्स द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट प्रोडक्ट ऑन इंटरनेट राइट नाउ. इट्स द क्लाउड किस लिक्विड ब्लशेस फ्रॉम रूशा ब्यूटी and I have the shades Pink Lemonade, Fig Flush and Berry Bliss. Now I have seen all good reviews about this blush and how beautiful this packaging is. ये काफ़ी इंडियन स्किन टोन फ्रेंडली है, सो आई एम एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई देम आउट. इसे मैं अपने बैक ऑफ द हैंड पे लेके एंड देन अप्लाई करूँगी बिकॉज आई नो दीज आर वेरी पिगमेंटेड. Shade is very pretty and it was a good decision हाथ पे लेके blend करना because ये काफ़ी easy भी blend हो गया है and I've not ended up with a lot of blush on my face. It's just the right amount. I'm loving the shade. इसने मेरे बेस को भी मूव नहीं किया है, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. काफ़ी बार ब्लशेज़, लिक्विड ब्लशेज़ जो है आप बेस को बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब कर देते हैं, बट दिस वन इज़ not doing that, which is a good thing. Blush की category में I have another brand which is Parul Garg Beauty. They have also recently launched their liquid blushes, and again I have 3 of their shades with me. Firstly, look at this packaging. It's so cute, very girly and looks beautiful. मेरे पास again इसमें 3 shades है, which is soft bloom, rosy pink and pink charm. Now it's hard to decide which one I want to try, but first I need to take down this blush ताकि हम इसे अच्छे से test कर सकें. Okay, I've decided that I want to try the shade soft bloom. Let's see how this looks. Wow, what a beautiful and sleek packaging. And it comes with an applicator. Very cute, but I don't know how well this is gonna perform with a liquid blush especially. And the applicator is like a liquid lipstick, which is really nice. So iske liye I'm directly gonna dot it on my face and see how it blends. Wow, 2 सेकेंड भी नहीं लगा मुझे इसे ब्लेंड करने के लिए and ये ऑलरेडी ब्लेंड हो चुका है. शेड भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. It's like very soft girl vibes. See, within like seconds it's blending and it's giving such a beautiful sheen. So I just read on the packaging that this blush is supposed to give you natural and healthy glow, which is so true, and it's infused with jojoba oil, shea butter and vitamin E, which is why it's going to be this glowy. And you need to set it with a powder blush if you want to make it long lasting, definitely. But nonetheless, I love the formula and it looks really beautiful. The shade is also pretty. I'll also insert the swatches of the other 2 shades so you can check that out. Okay, so मैंने face set कर लिया है and now it's time to talk about eyes. I am talking about the PAC Spotlight Duochrome Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks from inside. Look at these beautiful colors. These are definitely one and done kind of an eyeshadows, which you can use as a topper or you can use it as on its own. It looks very beautiful. Let me swatch few shades. Look at that. They are honestly very pretty and I have used them multiple times and eyes पे लगाने के बाद इतने सुंदर लगते हैं. And I have always collected compliments whenever I have used this eyeshadow on my eyes. It looks so beautiful. Let me quickly put one on my eyes and show you how it looks. इसके साथ ये एक brush भी आता है, which is really nice. It's the right kind of brush to pick this kind of eyeshadow. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade, or maybe I'll mix 1 or 2. Let's see. I'm sure the camera is not doing any justice to show the full potential of this eyeshadow, but trust me, it looks 10 times better in real life. Using the lightest shade in the inner corners. Just look how pretty this looks. आपको एक आई शेडो लगाना है and you're done. आपका आई लुक इतना ग्लैम लगेगा. You don't need a lot of eyeshadows, cut crease or anything like that. Just this eyeshadow and you're good to go. आप कोई भी फंक्शन में, कोई भी बड़े ओकेजन में, नाइट आउट पार्टीज, ये eyeshadow यूज़ करो. It's gonna look beautiful. It is a little on the pricier side, but I'm sure if you invest in this once, you're definitely going to use it every time on every occasion and you're not gonna regret it. We're on to the last product of today's video, which is again from Rucha Beauty. It's their latest launch. These are their Lush Ink Stain Markers and these are definitely going viral over all platforms because of how unique kind of a product this is. And just like anyone else, I am also very excited to see how these perform on my lips. I have 2 shades with me. One is Sheesh and the other one is 8. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Sheesh. So this is what the applicator looks like. I'm gonna first line my lips with this one. The application went very smooth. The product is nicely saturated. It's not like dry or something. Okay, once it's dry, it's not transferring at all. And I also want to see the stain part of how it works. I'm gonna let this dry and then see if I wipe this off, will it leave a stain. लिपस्टिक के लिए अभी मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मृषा ब्यूटी की लिपस्टिक इन द शेड ब्रू. It's a very beautiful shade and I think it's gonna go with this look. So मैंने इसे वाइप करके देखा and it's definitely leaving a stain behind. So yes, it's going to be long lasting. So that's all about it for today's video. We are done trying out so many new products and honestly most of them turned out really pretty. And if I have to pick one favorite product from this whole video, is going to be this Lush Ink Lip Stain. It's definitely a unique product and a very good product. Also, it's not very pricey, so you can definitely try this out. I would love you guys to drop some video ideas in the comments section and let me know what you guys would like to see. And that's all about it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.